Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Watson, and in this video I'm going to show you my nature notes, sort of nature journal. I have two nature journals. One's more formal, which is my featured native plants collection that I'm working on right now. This one is sort of like my field notes. It's much less formal, and I draw everything sort of quickly in freehand, and there are plenty of mistakes, and I do write the notes usually from finding information on plant ID websites and books, and some of them are finished, some of them are not, and there are some like this one on camas that I've actually done out in the field, so outside in nature, whereas other ones I've done inside, probably right here at the kitchen table while my son's running around. So this is more of my casual book, but it allows me to continue to create botanical art no matter what is happening in my life. So if you're interested in seeing a little more on this, then keep on watching. All right, so here is my nature journal. This is sort of my field notes journal. And this is my title page. I did take a little bit more time doing this because clearly there's more drawings than most of the pages, but this is done all freehand and then painted with just a few layers of watercolor. And the layouts are pretty much the same style, and then I just apply it to different plants, so it's really easy for me to recreate because, again, I don't have a lot of time when I'm doing this. So this is rattlesnake plantain, wild ginger, white fawn lily, calypso orchid, checkered lily or chocolate lily, tiger lily, another one with the white fawn lily, but I did take a little bit more time and I had some better reference photos, so I'm happier with how these ones turned out. Trillium, Pacific bleeding heart, and this is black lily or northern rice root. I just haven't painted it in yet. And then this is camas. This one's a little more casual with less detail. That's because I did this one out in the field while I was actually outside sitting in nature with the plant in front of me. And I didn't have a lot of time. So this was done very quickly, but it's still a wonderful way to capture native plants or my experience out in nature, which is the whole point of a nature journal. And that's all I have so far. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed checking out my field notes tour, then I think you're also really going to love to watch my video where I show you the flip through of my featured native plant collection here in this journal.